Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This I just got today. It's the very new RealMe Buds Air 2 Neo, and RealMe has got quite a lot of models, and this one was apparently just launched in April this year, so just a couple of weeks ago. Got it direct from China, and the beauty about this particular one is that it's actually got active noise cancellation. So let me just show you through the box. Alright, so it says that it's got active noise cancellation. It's got a 28-hour total playback time, including the case. It's got a 10mm dynamic bass boost driver. It's got a super low latency gaming mode, 88 ms millisecond apparently. It's got transparency mode, which is going to be very useful when you walk in the streets. To let you hear the surroundings, and it's got dual mic noise cancellation for calls apparently. Alright, this is actually a budget active noise cancellation headset, and truth being told, I actually bought this for about just about $30 US. Not bad for a ANC headset, directly from China. It's not launched in Malaysia yet, but I suspect that when it comes to Malaysia, this would be about 200 ringgits. So I just want to quickly share with you the RealMe website. So let's have a look at accessories under audio. This is the international website. Malaysia website is not updated yet. So for the audio accessories, you can see the budget RealMe Buds Q and also the Air Neo. These are existing models. And then the higher end with active noise cancellation is the RealMe Buds Air Pro. Now just recently, the last few 4 weeks, RealMe launched these two new models, which is the Buds Air 2, which is new, and the Buds Air 2 Neo. Between the Air 2 and the Air 2 Neo, which is almost exactly the same, the Air 2 has a stem, like a stick, like the earpods, Apple AirPods. The Air 2 Neo is the one that is in-ear, that is without the stick. It seems that the Air 2 Neo is a bit cheaper, but the specs is almost exactly the same. So let's have a look at the Air 2 Neo. Ignore the price. I think in Malaysia, when it launches, it should be about 200 to 250. It comes with active noise cancellation, 28 hours of total playback, and a 10mm dynamic bass boost driver. Let me just scroll down. So these are some of the things that you can see on the website. Dual mic noise cancellation for calls, 28 hours of playback with the built-in battery case. It's got a bigger 10mm bass boost driver. It's got active noise cancellation of up to 25 decibel noise reduction. And also with the ANC comes transparency mode, so you don't have to remove the earbuds to talk to people anymore. It comes with fast charge, 3 hours of playback on a 10-minute charge, and it's also IPX5 water resistance, so you can like go to the gym with this, or just under the slide shower or something like that. There's also a gaming mode, super low latency of 88 millisecond. This is improved over the Pro model. If I scroll down, so you can see like there's active noise cancellation of up to 25 dB, and some of the charts that it has. It's got dual mic for noise cancellation for calls, and apparently it's got this new RealMe R2 intelligent ANC chip. Scrolling down, the look is actually quite nice, the black with the metallic blue. There's also a gray version, if I can find that. 5 hours single playback, 3 hours playback with 10 minutes of quick charging. Okay, so this is how the headset looks like. It's got this gaming mode. It's got transparency mode to pipe in the ambient sound or the surrounding sound. 5,000 times charging, and so on. It's got Bluetooth 5.2, so this is the latest Bluetooth version, so this is quite good. And then the dual channel transmission left and right, so both ear sets or earbuds will connect to the phone at the same time, and it looks cool. Okay, so there are two colors, active black and calm gray. If you're into like the mother of pearl type look, maybe the calm gray would be fine. Not for me, so I took the black version. It's got intelligent touch control. We'll look at the controls afterwards. And it's linked up with the RealMe Link app with some EQ presets and so on. Okay, now in terms of price, an ANC earbuds headset is actually very expensive in the market. So like if you get the Samsung one, it's about $800. If you get like the Jabra, the 75Ts, you can get that about $600. This I think in Malaysia will release for about $200 to $250. I got it direct from RealMe in China for just over $120. It's an offer sale, so very worth buying. Okay, so this is a quick look at the website for the RealMe Buds Air 2 Neo. So let's have a look. I have not opened it before, neither have I connected it to my phone before yet. So let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, so that's the box. It's just very nice yellow. Now the headset or the earbuds, there are actually two colors. This is the, what do they call this color? Active black. There's a bit of a bluish reflective corners at the side. There's also another one that's called calm gray. I didn't like that metallic blue on that gray. It looks a bit weird to me, so I took the black color. So let's have a look at the case, if I can get it out. Oh, I'm not good at this, am I? Let's see what else is in the box first. Okay, so it's got a so hopefully this thing looks original. Can never be sure when you buy direct from China, can you? So if it's got this yellow USB-C cable, pretty original, that's right. It's got the two extra ear tips. It's got some manuals and some quick start guide, I suppose. So that's which is in the box. Now let me see. Let me try to get this thing out again. Okay, there we go. Nice weight to it actually, huh? Let's unbox this first. All right. So let me put this plastic aside. It's got a metallic silver RealMe logo. Fairly small. Bit of a weight to this. And USB-C connector. Plastic hinge. Small LED indicator for charging. And it lights up when you open the case. So it's pretty full. So let's get the two headsets. Again, I am not good at all of this. Okay. Oh, don't mind me. Okay. Bottom part is not sealed, so let me just undo this. Let me just put it into the charging case. Here we go. How clumsy I am. Okay. Okay, so it fits well, covers well. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have managed to get the RealMe Link app installed with a bit of difficulty. This is recommended, although I think it will actually work without this app. You will need to download the app, install the app, and then there's some test that you have to drag a icon to the correct place and then get an OTP, and then only register your password within the 60 seconds. If not, you have to do it all over again. That's how it's done. It's difficult, but you can get it done. Okay, So let's see, let's open the RealMe Link app. You can pair this through Bluetooth. So I'm just going to say add. Let's see if I can cancel, and then I'll say scanning, and then let's see if I can open this, if it finds. Right, so it says like it's gonna connect, so I'm just gonna connect this. Okay, so it's connected. Done. Let's go and see if I can go audio. Okay, select the RealMe Buds Air 2 Neo. Next. While using the app, only this time. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Can I done? It's connected. Okay. So in the app itself, it shows the left and right earbuds, apparently at different power at the moment. It shows the case power. It shows the noise control. Right now it's noise cancellation, and then you can set it to normal, that's without noise cancellation, and you can set a transparency which pipes that surrounding sound. And then you can turn on game mode, which is a low latency mode. Sound effects, default is dynamic. You can set it to like a higher boost, or bright, I think it's to highlight the vocals. There's a volume enhancer to probably increase the volume. Auto answer is off, and then these are the settings for the controls. So let's see. So I had a little bit of a play around, so let me just quickly run through with you. These are the standard default controls of the left and right earbuds. Left and right is exactly the same. Double tap to play and pause, triple tap to go to next track, touch and hold. There are no controls off. Okay, it's not to turn off, that means there are no controls. So at the moment, default left and right earbuds are exactly the same, and then if you touch and hold both earbuds at the same time, is to switch noise cancellation mode. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to a more logical option. Double tap to pause and play for both is fine, and that's to answer calls as well. Triple tap on the left is to go to previous track, on the right is go to next track. Okay, touch and hold the left earbud is to turn on game mode. Touch and hold the right earbud is to switch, it's to call voice assistant. Okay, so the list of all the options are basically play, pause, next track, previous track, voice assistant, switch noise control modes, game mode, and off means there's no controls. Okay, so I've changed it to this. It's up to you. So left earbud double tap to play and pause, triple tap to go to previous track, touch and hold to turn on game mode. Right earbud double tap to pause and play, triple tap to go to next track, touch and hold is to call voice assistant, and then touch and hold both is to turn switch noise cancellation. Okay, so let's test this thing out. Let's go here. So let me just play. It's actually playing. We are going to take it out. Let me just take it out. Okay, so I'm going to double tap. Oops, let me just make sure I like double tap to play. So it's playing, so you can see it's playing. Double tap to pause. Okay, double tap to play, so you can see it's playing. Double tap to pause. Okay, so if I go let me make sure I've like double tap to play, triple tap to go to next, 1 2 3, goes 3, 1 2 3, go to previous. Okay, now if that's what I've set to hold the right earbud, to call voice assistant. What's the weather like? Okay. Now what I want to do now is to basically show you, right? So if I press and hold the left earbud here, I turn on game mode. Okay. If I press and hold it again, turns off game mode. I think game mode takes a bit more battery. And if I basically press and hold both like this, oops, it switches to transparency mode. If I press both again, it goes to noise cancellation. Press hold both again. Also, it doesn't switch to normal mode. So basically switch between noise cancellation and transparency only. Okay, so this particular controls is up to you to set as you wish. So I would say like the touch controls are quite good and quite useful. It's configurable. Okay, so just a quick update. I have tried this thing out. The noise cancellation mode is really good. It blocks out the external noise. Normal mode is just normal. The transparency mode is actually really useful. Like I can actually talk to people without removing my earbuds. Now in terms of the sound effects, default is dynamic. That's quite balanced. If you like stronger bass, this actually quite significantly changes the audio. The bass is a bit more thumpier. Bright is more for highlighting the vocals. Now I would say like the game mode actually works very well based on latency tests that I've done on some videos. Without the game mode, there's a slight delay. With the game mode turned on, it's almost real time, so that's pretty good. So overall, for a very cheap economical active noise cancellation headset, this is actually really worth it. I just got this, so I'm going to test it out a bit more. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Now I would just say like if you close the case, it turns off. When you open the case, it automatically connects with the previous settings. Okay, if you've got any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below.